What's going on? Welcome to today's review video. My name is Colton. Today I'm going to be talking about the product that I use in the How to Change Your Furnace Filter project. If this is your first time here checking out this video or our channel, we ask you to subscribe. The reason for that is we produce review videos and project videos on demonstrating how easy it is to turn your house into a home. If you want to see other review videos that we've completed in the past, go ahead and click on this link right here. This Honeywell Furnace Filter that I'm about to review is the only filter that I know and familiar with, and we love it. We would give this product a 5 out of 5 stars, and we'll tell you why. This Honeywell Air Filter has been great for us, and we purchased it at Home Depot. We've only used this type of air filter for our furnace, and we've loved it. The FPR 10 is a Home Depot rating system. It's pretty much saying this is the best air filter that you can get, and here are all the contaminants that it filters. I'll put a link down below in the description of other rating systems that may be more common to you. This filter, along with many others, has an airflow direction as well as the size of filter that this is. This is important in replacing your old filter with the new one and making sure that you're not wasting energy and you're filtering the air that you need. This filter is pretty flimsy. It's just made out of cardboard, the filter, and the wire to hold that shape of that accordion form. The reason why it's that accordion form is it allows more particles to be caught and the airflow to go through that air filter properly to catch the max amount of particles. The contaminants that this filter is really good at capturing at the microparticle level are dust, lint, airborne dust mite debris, pollen, pet dander, mold spores, bacteria, microscopic allergens, virus carriers, and odor, most smoke, and smog particles. Thanks for checking out today's review video. Also be sure to check out the description down below on the different ratings about this type of filter. And the rating that Home Depot does actually coincides with other types of ratings. So there are similarities in how they rate their types of furnace filters. If you want to see more review videos just like this one, go ahead and click on this link right here. And don't forget to click on this link to subscribe so you don't miss out on future review videos or project videos that we have in the pipeline. Also be sure to check out our Facebook and Instagram account that you can find right here. Keep an eye out for future project videos, and we'll see you next time.